Hello traders, Dez here with Grok Trade on Wednesday, October 17th, 2012. Looks like housing starts jumped by 15%, 87,000, which is the highest level since 2008, which is an increase of almost 30, well, almost 35% compared with a year earlier. Looks like housing permits jumped by almost 12% for the month. And not too bad for some economic news. Here we are looking at the Dow, only up a fraction, actually was lagging the markets all day. S&P up 0.4%, NASDAQ up 0.1%, and the Russell's up nicely. Small caps doing exceptionally well, up 0.85%. Banks soaring, up more than 1%, and VIX only off though by 1%. I would like to see a 3% drop here, but we're still hovering around 15. Gold up a fraction, silver up 0.6%. U.S. oil, or crude oil, mind you, is down 0.1%, and then U.S. dollar is down 0.5%, so it really gave a boost to the markets as a whole. And taking a look here at the S&P, what's cool about this is we closed above a trend line that we're looking at, and so we could be in the makings of what's called a bull flag. And if you're not familiar with a bull flag, certainly go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com and go to the chart school and educate yourself on bull flags. But we have the beginning of that now, but not out of the woods yet, because this trend line coming higher, we can come up, smack our head at that, and we have a horizontal resistance line coming from this swing high coming across. So this area 1466 is a huge area of resistance, so watch 1466 going into tomorrow's trading. The Dow, if you look at this, like I said, was lagging. We're in a rising wedge, and it really had a hard time going anywhere. Now we have a hanging man and a tweezer top, so it looks like it's wanting to roll over. We could start dropping down here, and we do have a bearish divergence with the MACD. So, taking a look here at the NASDAQ still within the confines of a downtrend, but it could be a bull flag, but we're still inside it, and we're still below the falling 20 simple day moving average. And the Russells that did so well today confirmed yesterday's breakout on a nice pop above the 20-day moving average and a nice rally to the upside, and it looks like we're getting ready to cross the zero line down here on the histogram also. If I were to go over here to the weekly looks nice. Looks like we have a nice bull pullback and we're starting to go higher. We do have upside potential here for the next few weeks, it looks like, as far as Russell's concerned. Same thing with the NASDAQ. We do have a bullish Harami reversal pattern, but I think we have a major area of resistance. I don't say that lightly, around 31.35. Mark my words on that. And if we go here to the S&P daily, what's cool about this is we cleared all major resistance. Now we've built a high base. We dropped, to find a support level at a nice trend line on a weekly chart, and we've come right back higher. And on the Dow, another high base. We do have to contend with some resistance right here, but we are set up to rally the next few weeks, and I'm holding my breath here because I don't want to get in front of myself. If the markets stay bullish like this and there's some volume to support it, all is well out there. Apple is having some iPhone problems, but this is the weekly chart. So far for the week, we are bouncing off the 20-week moving average. The daily chart, we're under pressure yet again after yesterday's exceptional run. Google here is making a nice pop out of this little flag formation. We're above the 20-day moving average. Google is looking really strong. On the weekly, you can see we did a little bit of correction, but it looks like it's wanting to head higher. We're just getting started. I mean, we're halfway through the week, so the volume is still suspect, so we'll have to keep our eye on that. With that said, listen to the message I have for you here. Take care and safe trading. Some say to know where a person's heart is, all you have to do is look at where he spends his time after work. Others say to know a person's real passion, you simply have to see where he spends his money. Whatever is important to a person, you can bet that they will invest in their passion. Trading, and trading well, is a deep passion for some. Those whom are successful traders spend time, ample amounts of time, studying the markets and learning the secrets of savvy trading. If trading well is important to you, which I'm sure it is, then trading education is of the utmost importance. If this be true, how much money have you invested in your trading education this year? After all, this measures your seriousness in becoming the best trader that you can be. Consider making Grok Trade Mentoring your investment for formalized trading education this year. For more information, email us at mentor@groktrade.com.